Hello everybody, this is Jordan here and I'm here with Caitlin, and today we are going to be presenting a PowerPoint called A Teacher's Best Friend, PLCs. So we're going to be talking about PLCs today and why they're important and what they are and just everything you need to know about a PLC.
What is a PLC? PLC stands for Professional Learning Community. PLCs allow teachers and other educators to get together and discuss what is working and the techniques they are using. PLCs are also allow teachers to have a community behind them to help them with whatever they need when they are facing problems.
Who uses PLCs? PLCs are used by teachers. Teachers use them in and outside of their district to learn new techniques and what things are working with other teachers. The next people who use PLCs are administrators. Administrators are usually connected with the other administrators inside their district, but they can also have a PLC outside of their school so that they know what other schools are doing. Coaches have a huge network. They use PLCs to talk to other coaches about workouts to use or what is helping in practice. PLCs also help them to learn about the teams they might play. Every educator should use PLCs, and most schools require that you have some sort of professional learning community.
Why are PLCs important? PLCs include teachers with all different levels. They have a different experiences and each member can help each other. PLCs teach educators how to do their job in a better way. Educators don't have all the answers, but when people put their brains together, there can be a lot of learning. PLCs also are important because they allow teachers to stay up to date on how each classroom and each place, different districts, is evolving. They can see new ideas and new research when they get together.
How do PLCs help teachers? Teachers can use them to learn new strategies. They can learn about different students that are in their district or how different students learn outside of their district. They get together with people who have a common goal, helping the students. Teachers can get with their PLCs and share experiences. This also allows teachers to know how to handle different situations. PLCs give teachers a group of support. PLCs give them someone with similar experiences to go to when they have problems.
How do PLCs help students? Their teachers are better adapted to help them with any situation. The teachers are learning new things that help make learning easier for them. PLC shows students healthy professional relationships. The classroom becomes more fun because their teachers are learning things and projects to help their children do.
Okay, so next we have made, and this video is going to walk you through the steps of how we made our Kahoot. So I hope you enjoy. Hello everybody. This is me, Jordan Watson Self. And I'm here today with Trenton Eubanks and Caitlin Harris, and we're going to be creating a Kahoot all about PLCs. Caitlin and Trenton will be coming up with the questions and answers, and I will be doing all the typing. As you can see here on the front page, I've already put in the title and a description and come up with a cover image, so let's get started. Okay, first question.
The first question is, what is PLC? One of the answers is Professional Learning Community. Another one of the answers is Professional Literacy Community. Another one is poor line class. And the last one being proper learning compass. And the correct answer is ring.
So our next question, it is, who uses PLCs? And one of the options is teachers, administration, or admin, coaches, or all of the above. And in this case, it would be all of the above.
The next question is, why are PLCs important? The first answer is it gives educators a community. You get good food. You find new besties. And it pays your insurance. And the correct answer is yellow.
So our next question is, what is one way PLCs can help teachers? Or PLCs help teachers? One of the options is they can gossip. Another one is the teachers get food, free food at that. The teachers learn new techniques. And then the last one would be the teachers make lots of money. And in this case, the answer would be the teachers learn new techniques.
The last question is, how do PLCs help students? The answer is they help students have professional relationships. Another one is the students get to go outside. They get a soda. They get to color with red being quickly.
So we are done with our Kahoot now, and we can go back and we can tweak a few things where we messed up. But after this, all you have to do is hit save, and your Kahoot is ready to go, and you can teach it to your class. So thank y'all. Okay, so the next slide that we're going to show, I taught this. This is Jordan. I taught this to Trenton and Caitlin, and we ran through the Kahoot. Hello, everybody. This is me. We've had a long day learning about PLCs, and we're going to do a Kahoot about PLCs that we made earlier. So are y'all ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, PLCs. Okay, what is a PLC?
Oh, I got it wrong.
Oh my gosh, tricky. So a PLC is a professional learning community, and this is something that is used a lot in the school system.
That's the wrong one.
Okay. Who uses PLCs? Okay, so our answers were admin, coaches, teachers, and the correct answer was all of the above because PLCs is something that is used by everybody that's in a school district. Why are PLCs important? Okay, so PLCs are important because it gives teachers a community, which is something that every teacher should have because they need somebody behind them that has the same experiences. Okay, what is one way that PLCs help teachers? The teachers learn new techniques. When you have a community, you get to learn new techniques. Okay, our last question is, how do PLCs help students? They help students learn about professional relationships. That's something that's very important. And when they get to see each other interact, or teachers interact, it can teach them a lot. Okay, so our winner for the game today was, second place was Caitlin, and our first place will be Trinity. Okay, so this is the end of our slideshow. PLCs are very important for all educators, and we hope that you gained a new appreciation for these communities today. Thank you for watching our video.